Hi guys, my name is Kylie. Have you ever wanted to teach your kid how to brush their teeth, maybe wash some dishes, maybe even tie their shoe? Well, in this video today, as a registered behavior technician, I'm going to teach you guys what prompts are and how to fade them out to be able to teach your kid the necessary skills that you're wanting to teach them. So to start, what are prompts and what prompts to fade? So there are 5 different types of prompts. The least intrusive is a vocal prompt, and it moves up to a gesture prompt, then a model prompt, a partial physical prompt, and then the most intrusive would be a full physical prompt, which is hand over hand prompting. Least intrusive prompt being vocal prompt, that means that you're just saying, brush your teeth, and then they should do it. The most physical prompt, which is the most intrusive, is full physical, and with that, you are hand over hand prompting them, which unfortunately could bring forth a lot of prompt dependency where they get dependent on you doing the task for them, but there will be steps at the end to teach you how to do that. So let's teach you how to fade a prompt. Enter please. So today, my lovely assistant here, I'll be teaching her how to brush her teeth. So the prompts that there's a prompting hierarchy. The first one is a most to least prompting hierarchy. You start with a full physical prompt, and then the second prompting hierarchy would be least to most, where you start with the vocal prompt. Today we are going to be starting with the most to least prompting. So, Quincy, brush your teeth. And that is a full physical prompt. I'm hand over hand prompting. She is brushing her teeth. I'm gonna release, see if she's kind of doing it on her own. She's not, so I'm gonna she got it back in there. So we're gonna move down to a partial physical prompt. So it would be, Quincy, brush your teeth. She's not doing it, so we're gonna go in, kind of lift her elbow. We're not touching over the hand, be back of the arm. Look at her, she's brushing her teeth kind of. So then I'm gonna release, see if she's kind of doing it. She's still up in that position, kind of moving her hand not a lot. So we're gonna go down and see if she can do it at a model-based prompt. So I'm gonna look at her, say, Quincy, brush your teeth. She's not gonna do it, so I'm gonna like this. She's brushing her teeth with a model-based prompt. And then to go from there, because she's kind of doing it independently, so we're gonna go down to a gesture prompt. Quincy, brush your teeth. Gesturing is gonna be pointing to the object or area that you want them to do the task in. Now she's brushing her teeth with just a gesture prompt, so we're gonna go down to just a vocal prompt. So, all right, Quincy, brush your teeth. Perfect, just like that. So that is how to prompt and then fade the prompts down. When to fade is a big question that is always asked. So fading your prompts, when to fade them specifically, is when they're showing consistent success. So for example, when I gestured to her to brush her teeth and she did it, that would be a good indication of, if she does that consistently, being able to fade down to just a vocal prompt. This transitions them away from relying on you to then relying on themselves. Also, when they do it independently. So if I were to tell Quincy to brush her teeth before I could even gesture, she kind of hesitates but starts going up there, that's a good indication that she might not need a full gesture prompt. She might need just a vocal prompt. This helps them build the confidence that they're doing it themselves, and then also helps delay prompt dependency. So you want to teach your kid how to brush your teeth, prompting them and fading down those prompts with physical, vocal, and model-based prompts is a great way to do it. They will be brushing their teeth, washing the dishes, or tying their shoes on their own. And this is how you prompt and prompt fade.